Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. Today's topic is map interface. A map is not part of collection interface. However, it's part of the Java collection framework and it stores data in key value pair. Each key is unique but value can be duplicated. For example, same name have multiple students but roll number unique. Implement class hashmap, linked hashmap, tree map. Let's move one by one. These are here maps are storing in key value pair. So one store for key and one more value. If you not enter, it throw error. One integer for key, another is value. For example, if we a string, it throw the error because I already mentioned type safe integer. Map dot print it. Here map dot entry set, it returning set. And run the application. Here 3 and 7. Enter two sets even though it return only one because the key is only unique and 9 is replaced with 7. Here hashmap allow only one null key. It allow multiple null values. And the application, here null 9, here null 9. Allow only one null key. You can remove the specific object, use remove method and pass the here key. Here key is 3. Here return only null 9. This set replace with this set. And now here removing that, enter this set. The map contain only this set. And one more. Now we pass that key. Pass 4. First one true because the map contain 3 key. The second one false because the 4 key is not present. And the application true false. And one more. Key set. The key set. The key set, it written only keys means 3 null and 3. And one more method values, and it return only values. Here this part, here 7 and 9. Yes, 7 and 9. Let's move to linked hashmap. It maintains the insertion order. your map dot now run the application. Here 3 null 5 2. It maintain the insertion order. First I put that 3, next null and 5 2. Before using the hash map, it storing randomly, not insertion order. And next move to tree map. It store the elements sorted order. It does not allow null value. Run the application. It throwing error. Null pointer exception because it does not allow null value. Comment. You can run the application. First 3, I enter 3, next 5. But it is stored in order wise and it is sorted order 2, 3, 5. And we can customize the sorting order. Now which is have highest value in key, it's stored first. Here 5, 3, 2. Descending order now. By default it is a natural order. In sorting order, we can customize that order. It does not allow null key, but allow null value. This tree map used for sorting order. It's showing error because now are showing error because the tree map contains specific methods. And last, here first and last. This is a descending order and the first key is 5 and last key is 2. Here if you put the map here, it throw the error because the map interface no idea about these methods, specific methods present in tree map. One more method, head map. It return all keys less than given key. Tail map. This tail map return all keys greater than or equal given key. Here remove. Now the tree map is ascending order. Now here this method, the head map return all keys less than given key, and this tail map return all keys greater than or equal to given key. Now run the application. Here head map return all less than key. Here 2 is less than 3 and 10. Here 5 is matched with this 5 and return, and there is no above value. If we put that 2 here 2, 3, 5, the above value and include with the same value. A 2 contain yes, a 3 is greater than 2 and 5 also greater than 2. So it return 3 sets. Yeah, for now that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.